The event that wiped out 4 million seabirds between 2014 and 2016, an estimated 4 million common murres, Uria algae, disappeared in Alaska, a devastating event that scientists now consider the largest single species mass mortality ever recorded. This catastrophic loss was linked to the Blob, a vast expanse of unusually warm water in the North Pacific that wreaked havoc on marine ecosystems, according to a study published in Science. Common murres, known for their dense, noisy colonies along rocky cliffs, were once a thriving species in Alaska. However, their numbers plummeted dramatically during the 2 years the blob persisted, disrupting food chains in marine habitats. By late 2016, over 62,000 murre carcasses had washed ashore along the Gulf of Alaska. Scientists believe this grim count is just the tip of the iceberg, as most of the birds likely perished at sea and were never recovered. The blob, which emerged in 2014, stretched from the eastern Bering Sea to the Gulf of Alaska. This enormous warm water anomaly severely depleted marine food supplies, particularly small fish and plankton that murres rely on for survival. As a result, many murres starved, and those that survived were too malnourished to reproduce effectively, leading to a catastrophic collapse in their population. Researchers observed drastic population declines in every monitored colony, underscoring the widespread impact of the event. We knew this was an unprecedented mass mortality event. What we didn't know was just how large it truly was, said Heather Renner, a biologist at the Alaska Maritime National Wildlife Refuge and co-author of the study. By the time the blob dissipated in 2016, it had permanently altered the region's marine ecosystem. The murres, which are highly dependent on a stable food supply, have shown no signs of recovery in the 7 years since. Scientists estimate the event wiped out nearly 50% of Alaska's murre population, pushing the species into a precarious position where it is now more vulnerable to predators, environmental pressures, and future climate-related disturbances. Murres are not the only victims of the blob. The warm water disrupted entire food webs, killing off fish, krill, and plankton, and leaving marine predators like sea lions and whales struggling for survival.